Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Glenmuir Country Club is a gated community located in Maypen, approximately 45 minutes from Kingston and minutes away from the South Coast Highway. Amenities includes 24-hour security, clubhouse, gym and swimming pool. Each unit will be finished with porcelain tiles, mowing facets, granite countertops, hardwood cabinetry, his and hers closets, and standalone bathtub in main bedroom of the bungalows. The high ceilings and PVC windows afford abundant natural light and a flow for natural breezes. The Glenmuir Country Club is absolutely great value for money. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 236.7 thousand or Jamaican $36.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.